response to the threat of enemy attack. It led to a significant increase in military spending and a shift in the nation's defense strategy. The incident also had a profound impact on the city of Los Angeles, with many residents experiencing trauma and stress as a result of the incident. In the years that followed, the city would experience significant growth and development, but the memory of the Battle of Los Angeles would never be forgotten. The incident would go on to become a topic of fascination for historians and researchers, with many attempting to uncover the truth